Welcome to this video on the Gordon Growth Model and stock investing. The Gordon Growth Model is a method of valuing a stock based on its expected future dividend payments. The model was developed by Myron J. Gordon and Alicia Shapiro in 1956 and is widely used by investors and financial analysts today. The formula for the Gordon Growth Model is P0 equals D1 divided by, where P0 equals the current price of the stock, D1 equals the expected dividend payment in the next period, R equals the required rate of return by investors, G equals the expected growth rate of dividends. Let's break down the formula. The numerator represents the expected dividend payment in the next period. This is an estimate of what the company will pay out in dividends to its shareholders. The denominator represents the required rate of return by investors minus the expected growth rate of dividends. The required rate of return is the minimum return that investors require to invest in the stock. The expected growth rate of dividends is the rate at which the company's dividends are expected to grow in the future. The result is the estimated fair value of the stock based on the expected future dividend payments. For example, let's say you are considering buying shares in a company that pays an annual dividend of $2 per share. You expect the company to grow its dividends by 5% per year and you require a 10% rate of return on your investment. Using the Gordon Growth Model, the fair value of the stock would be P0 equals $2x divided by P0 equals $2.10 divided by 5%. P0 equals $42. This means that the fair value of the stock is $42 per share based on your assumptions. The Gordon Growth Model is a useful tool for investors to estimate the fair value of a stock based on its expected future dividend payments. It is important to note, however, that the model is based on assumptions and estimates, and actual future performance may differ. Thanks for watching this video on the Gordon Growth Model and stock investing. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on investing and personal finance.